Anybody knows which music that was? Siddharth sir knows. Anybody else can guess what is the music? Doordarshan, which means old, boring, not good. Today we are having nice, cable channels. Okay. So we are trying to change from the old system. Sir, in your experience, from how many years Bangalore has been doing like this system, garbage on the ground? But garbage on the ground is the system. At least 20, 30 years it has been like that. So now we are trying to show that we should also change. It is with only one rule. Garbage should not touch the ground. If you do that rule, everything else will be improved. How can we make Bangalore clean? That's the thing. With a new system, no garbage on the ground. Same place, same power economy, everything same. New same contractor, no new equipment, nothing. Single bag he has got. Gonichia. So what is the difference you are seeing now? When they come to the transformer, what is the difference? What is the main difference from present?
Raise your hands for that.
No, I want the right word. What is the main difference now? I want 4 words. No garbage on the ground. See, the ground is clean. NGOG. Rose. See, this is the main thing. We have one. Can you see one more new person? Can you see a new person there? He is like one person, like he said, his job is to collect bags. And if somebody puts on the ground, he cleans. He is responsible for no garbage on ground. Other thing is she does not have to wait. She can leave and she can go. Which means her time is improved. Okay. So that is the first change. How much one bag costs? Anybody can tell me? What is the cost of one Goni Chilla of that size approximately? 10 rupees. How long it will last if you use this? How long it will last if I give every Paurakarma one bag for 10 rupees and she pulls on the ground? How many days it will last? 15 days. So every day 1 rupee I'll put. What is the cost of one plastic garbage bag? Big one?
5 rupees.
Big one. Big black bag. Big black. How much it costs? 5 rupees. So you think now, I can give big black bag which can be used once and causing problem, or I can invest 1 rupee per day in my staff and solve bigger problem. I'm reducing work. Think about it. Because when you do this, you will save in many ways. And 10 rupees is not much. It can be from the budget, it can be from public. In this case, the public said we will support for 1 month. The courier company gave 20 bags. Those bags lasted. So I'm just saying, this is very simple, real solution. It is better than black plastic bag. And at night, where do you keep these bags?
Nearby shops.
Will anybody steal the bag?
I want more hands.
What is the problem with using bags? Supposing I give all Paurakarma one bag in the morning or 2 bags, and I say, when you finish, you keep it here and you go home. I will now take charge of putting it. What is the problem with that system? Bag? Rat picker will take the bag. Yeah, please give her a look. Yes. Why will rat picker take the bag? Because it's too costly for him to buy. Why will he take the bag? How do you stop him from taking the bag? Give me an answer. So yes, you're right. So in Jyoti Niwas College, there is an entire army of rag pickers who lives there. They don't take the bags. Can you guess why? Supposing I told you they should not take the bag. You make him responsible. We have given the rag pickers who are working on salaries or who are trying to get and saying every day you will get so much money to keep this place clean. So BBMP is not putting additional salary also. In every area there are 1 or 2 senior rag pickers. You all know who are the senior fellows, who are the system is there. We have found the rag picker who is good. We have given him responsibility and they do a very good job. And so that is the secret. So and that's why the bags don't get stolen, because we give the rag pickers bags. Separately as citizens we say, we're helping rag pickers. We will give you 3 bags a week and you will get a little payment. They will not steal. They will not anybody else steal also. So these are all very valid points. It's not difficult. It took 3 months to make it work, but it looks easy. So it's working with bags. Okay, what happens next? In our estimation, every Parakami needs 2 bags for morning shift, that's all. It is enough. Now, okay, auto has come. What is going to be different now? Auto has come. What is the difference?
It doesn't take much time to lift.
It doesn't take much time. You need one less person. Normally in the auto you need 2 people, one driver, one picker. If you do the system, only driver is enough. That is very important for everybody, reducing number of people. So one person can lift the bag and the attender, he can help him. So the driver doesn't have to get down also. So suddenly the number of manpower is falling. So by adding a bag, you are reducing one manpower. Okay, so let's see what happens here. It happens very fast. If you notice the time, already 20 minutes has been saved in this whole process. It's happening faster. 10:20, earlier they came at 10:40.